Hi and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how I created these cute little sweetheart hearts in the new Siser Leonardo Design Space. Our first step is creating a heart, and I used the shapes tool, selected a heart, and sized it by holding down my mouse button and dragging it till I got the shape of the heart that I wanted. I duplicated this a few times and changed the color of a few to make the design easier to see and to have my vision come to life a bit. Next, I duplicated the heart again. I changed the color, and this is where the 3D look to my sweetheart is going to come to life. So the next part of this design is adding the messages into the hearts, the fun part. We're going to click the T in the toolbar for the text and choose your font. Then write your messages. I went with nope, not today, you wish, and go away. A not so Valentine shirt is, I guess, what I'm going for. And of course, feel free to add your own messages to make it as Valentine-y or not as you would like. I also grouped together the ones that have two lines. I centered them and then grouped them. I centered the words and then grouped the words. And to center them, I just went to the Align tool in the toolbox, which is the one that is all the way to the right. And I just click the center. Once I finished centering my words, I then went to center each message on a heart by selecting both the word and the heart and using the center align tool. Next, while both the heart and message are still selected, we are going to go to the make compound path, and that looks like a square with a hole in it, found in the toolbar where the well tool is. This will subtract the message into the heart like you see here. And we are doing this for all 4 hearts. Okay, now that we are happy with our design, it's time to send our design to the cutting machine. And if you're using HTV or heat transfer vinyl, remember to mirror. If not, and you're making some stickers or decals, don't click the mirror, leave that button unchecked. Once all is cut and weeded, your design should look like this. And this is my finished shirt. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below and I reply to you as soon as possible. If you are interested in any of the tutorials, please leave a comment and let us know what you would like to learn about. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching.